Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel, and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about after buying the new car. There are a lot of three mistakes what people do, and buying a new car is an important aspect in our life. And buying that car is, very important in our family, in our life and our family. But after you buy the new car, we do a lot of mistakes, and the important three mistakes what we do is, number one, after you bought the car, you try to check with the expert. I bought a Varna Fluidic, and how is the car? You'll check with the expert, or you'll start looking at the reviews of the car and all that. It's immaterial and it's waste doing it now. You should do everything before that. So after you bought the car, that's the best car suited for you, and you have decided it and you use it. So enjoy the car and forget about the reviews and checking with the other people that how is my car. Same way, after that, what people do is they are driving the older car, and after that the new car comes to you. Then you say gears are not falling right, clutch is not, it's very hard. So you bought a new car, you were actually using an old car, you were used to it. Now you changed for a new car. Your car is good, but it's only a mental block, or mentally you decide that there is some issues in the car. So immediately you take it to the service station and tell, sir, this problem, that problem. That is not there. It's only you need to drive the car for at least 1 month or 15-20 days. Then you'll adjust to the new car. This is the second mistake what people do. The third mistake is, once you get the car, before the puja also, they take it to the accessory center, and you try to change the system, you're trying to put seat covers, except mud flaps and mats. Don't put anything. You make sure that you only get the accessories fitted, your system fitted, or anything you want to fit. Do it after third service. Free services are over, because it's going to affect you, very importantly, the warranty of the car. If you put a new system, they cut the wires, so the warranty is lost. So for the airbags, there are 6 airbags in the car, and you have seats which has airbags, you put seat covers for it, so it's going to be waste. So make sure these 3 mistakes what I told should not be repeated after buying the car. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.